Hello friends, welcome to the channel Banking Nothing Else. I am A. Bhattacharya. After having worked for State Bank of India for 38 years, I retired as Assistant General Manager. Recently I was asked by my daughter that which type of deposit account one should open in bank and what is the procedure. After discussion, we thought of converting it into a video so that a larger section of society can get the benefit. That is why this channel is being started. I'll start with banks' deposit accounts. Their feature, who can open, that is eligibility, facilities available. I'll go by the names and procedures in State Bank of India, country's largest and most trusted bank. Deposit accounts. There are many types of deposit accounts in banks. Names or nomenclatures of such accounts may differ from bank to bank. In this video, the nomenclatures used in State Bank of India have been used. Imported accounts are as under. Number 1, savings bank account. Number 2, current account. Number 3, recurring deposit account. Number 4, term deposit or fixed deposit account. Number 5, special term deposit account or reinvestment plan. Today I will start with savings bank account. Type of savings bank account. Number 1, basic savings bank deposit BSBD account. Number 2, basic savings bank deposit small account. These two are for the poorer sections or for those who do not have their complete OVD or the KYC requirement papers. Number 3, savings bank account, which I will cover today. Number 4, savings bank account for minors. This will be covered in my future video. Savings bank account eligibility. All individuals having valid KYC document can open this type of account. Even central and state government departments are also allowed to open savings bank account for in respect of their grants, subsidies released for implementation of various programs, schemes sponsored by central government, state governments, subject to production of an authority letter from the respective government department to open savings bank account. Development of women and children in rural areas, more commonly known as DWACRA or Dwakra accounts, self-help groups account, etc. First of all, we must understand what is KYC or Know Your Customer. What are the requirements? RBI has mandated that all the banks should know their customer, their identity and their address. That is why it is essential that one of these following documents has to be submitted with the bank while opening the account or thereafter. The documents are, which are also known as officially valid document or OVD, passport, voter's identity card, driving license, Aadhaar card, Narega card, and PAN card. Savings bank account, mode of operation. This account can be opened in a single name or jointly with others. If it is jointly with others, then it can be operated by either of the joint account holders or survivor. It can also be opened by the former or survivor, that is the first person or the survivor, and latter or survivor, that is the last named person or survivor. Features of savings bank account. Following features are available with savings bank account on demand. Mobile banking facility, SMS alert facility, internet banking facility or INB facility, YONO, you only need one, State Bank Anywhere, SBI Quick Missed Calls facility. Other facilities which are available with this account are checkbook facility available. First 10 check leaves are free in a financial year. Thereafter, each 10 leaf checkbook will cost ₹40 plus GST, or 25 leaf checkbook will cost ₹75 plus GST. Restricted free withdrawals based on monthly average balance maintained. That is, more monthly average balance maintained, more are the number of free withdrawals. Monthly average balance, there is no restriction for this. As far as maximum balance is concerned, no limit. Nomination facility is available. A passbook is issued to record the transactions. Duplicate passbooks can be issued if original is lost on payment of charges. Depositor can choose for statement of accounts which will be sent through email. Most attractive features of this particular account: personal accident insurance PAI of ₹2 lakhs available at nominal premium of ₹12 per annum. The facility of transfer of accounts through internet banking channel is available. This is a unique feature which allows you to maintain the same account number if you get your account transferred from one place to other. Savings bank account, procedure to account. Procedure to open. This account can be opened in two ways, either by visiting the branch or online by visiting the branch. First of all, visit the branch, open an account opening form from the bank counter, fill it completely, paste your recent passport size photograph at appropriate place, put your thumb impression or signature at assigned place. Thereafter, submit this form along with the photocopy of your KYC documents. Produce the original KYC document to the bank staff for physical verification. Savings bank account, procedure to open online. For opening a savings bank account online, all one need is a mobile phone or laptop with internet facility. Before logging in, be ready with your proof of identity, that is proof of your Aadhaar card or whatever there is, and address proof, passport, Aadhaar card, PAN card, address, etc., and recent photograph. Visit any of the following websites. You can click on any of the link, then click Apply Now button. Start filling the form step by step. Complete it. Mention your requirement of checkbook, mobile banking, SMS alerts, INB facility in the form itself. Take a printout, affix the photograph, sign it at appropriate place, attach the photocopies of KYC document and PAN card and submit to the bank. Bank will verify the photocopies with original KYC documents as well as signature and thumb impression of the prospective account holder and proceed to open the account. Thereafter, bank will issue you a passbook and other opening kits, and you can operate the account from the coziness of your home or office. Thank you.